Back to Indoors Outdoors. This is outdoors. Today we'll be going to see my chickens and my rabbit. See you then. That is the one that's turned around is Martha, I think. Then that one is one of the twins. The other one died. We had a red fox come through and he was hungry for some chicken, I can tell you that. And that's Robert. He hates me, like, a lot. This is their house. It's a pretty cool house, I think, anyways. They haven't laid any eggs yet, which is weird. They really badly need some food, so I guess you'll be here for the experience. Oh, that's heavy. Oh. Robert! No, that's chicken. That is really bad. Okay, well. Anyways, yep. That's, oh, bad. Oh, man. Oh, sorry. I know it's killing me. That chicken food smells really bad. Okay, well, see you when we get back. Well, we're back at the rabbit house. Let me give you the story. We wanted rabbits, but we didn't know that they would hate us. They seriously hate us. But, yeah, they don't like us at all. So we didn't know that they wouldn't like us. So we got some, but they don't like us. So, and then they both got out because my sister broke her hand and she didn't shut the door properly and let them out, and then one died. It's sad. They were sisters, but I'm gonna have to pause it, turn around the camera, so yeah. Hi, baby. There she is. Come here. Come here. She's like, I hate humans. Won't you go die in a ditch? Come here. Come here. Come here. And don't worry, they are not like contained. They actually have all of this space around here to run free, and we let them out sometimes, once or twice. The door's hard to shut. It's like a pull-up door. Sorry, my camera's way zoomed in. I don't know why. There we go. Forget that place. So, if you don't know, I'm just going to give you a tour of my house because, you know, I live here. And I'm a YouTuber, so, this is my creek. Somebody set a minnow trap in there, but we don't even have minnows in here. I know some people are going to be like, you got minnows in there, you got minnows in there. But at shallowest, it gets about that much water in some places. And I don't think a minnow can swim in that. Sorry, Jilly Job. Boys. Okay, well, yep, that's the first episode of my house. Oh, wait. We got to do a little bit on the trampoline. We might do a little bit on the trampoline. Hold on. Let me get there. And trampoline time!
We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. See ya!